The idea of SIS took shape in the backdrop of a war. In 1971, a young and energetic investigative journalist, R.K. Sinha, while covering the Bangladesh War, developed a close bond with Indian Army soldiers. After the war, when a large number of these men were relieved from the forces, Mr. Sinha pledged to do something for them.
SIS is basically conceptualized and started as a rehabilitation project for the ex-servicemen from the army who were rendered unemployed after 71 operations, and they were available in plenty.
In 1974, he was approached by an industrialist friend who wanted to secure his premises, and in that moment, the seeds of Security and Intelligence Services, or SIS, were sown. Mr. Sinha quickly realized the huge pent-up demand for private security services in India. The company was formed with just 11 men. Being a visionary, he understood the need to train people professionally. Soon afterward, the nation's first private residential security training facility followed at Garhwa, now in Jharkhand.
We realized after a few years of operations that customers' demand is not only a good turned out soldier who can give a good salute, but customer also requires someone to understand the process and systems of the organization and to follow the procedures, and for these focused training is required. So in the year 1983, I started the first training academy. At that point of time, people thought that I have gone mad because nowhere in the world, not only in India, nowhere in the world there were training of the security guards.
With remarkable foresight, Mr. Sinha realized the need to induct young professionals into the system. He conceptualized the Graduate Training Officer, or the GTO program. By the turn of the century, Mr. Sinha decided that it was time to bring in high-quality professionals to tap the growth potential in the security industry. For close to 40 years now, SIS has met the expectations of its clients, retaining their faith with meticulous planning, quick reaction time, and unimpeachable integrity. Today, SIS Group is India's fastest growing security services company